Hello, I'm going to teach you guys how to add a new element to the end of your list without actually changing your list. We're just going to change your list, but without changing it manually. So we're going to be using the append function here. So I'm going to create a list titled X. And here I'm just going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay. So now I'm going to use x.append. Here I want to append 5, 6, so I want to append. Okay, do that. Oh wait, sorry. I was supposed to use I was not supposed to use brackets here. Go. So now when I print X, you'll see that 5, 6 has been added to the list. Okay. Let's try this on a list of mixed elements. Let's see the results. To 4.1. Let's add a string in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna do z dot append. I'm going to append 1, 2, 3. Now when I print z, 1, 2, 3 has been added to the end of the list. So the append function works not only with strings, but also on list with mixed elements. Okay, and this is how you would add a element to the end of the list without going through manually changing the list. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section.